Welcome to Forex Films. Today is Tuesday, June 7th, 2011. And we are focusing on the Australian US dollar in this video. And last night we had the Reserve Bank of Australia rate decision. And really the Reserve Bank of Australia had been sending out dovish signals for quite a while. Prior to their GDP, they had estimated that it would contract 1%, and that was right on the money. And the Australian dollar has been kind of muted. If we look at this 4-hour chart here, we can see what I think was a fourth wave here with A, B, C, D, E, and then we've broken out of that to the upside. This to me is wave 1, then A, B, C, and we're continuing to move higher, and this is the first stages of a third wave that will probably take us to 110. So really their dovish comments didn't really do much. We've corrected and consolidated for a few days now, and we're ready to move higher. The announcements last night resulted in this long red candle, and right after that we've just consolidated to moving higher. And at the same time, the euro and the pound have been moving a lot higher. And I think it's just a matter of time before people realize this wasn't news and start jumping in on this pair again. Here is the daily. This was a larger fourth wave that ended down here. And then our move upward. And if you look at this candle formation, this is probably going to change quite a bit over the day, because this won't close until 5 o'clock tonight Eastern Daylight Time. But it has bounced off this EMA that I'm watching here. And if this candle pattern looks similar to this, or even is more in the red, it's a signal that we're really moving higher. So keep an eye on where this closes tonight. The only real news we've got coming up the rest of this week that's high volatility for Australian dollar comes on Wednesday, 21:30 Eastern Daylight Time. So I think really we've got to trade this on technicals, and if we're picking a target, I would say right up here by 112 is where we'll have to end up. The only real fundamentals here for Australian dollar are basically its domestic economy and how its exports stand. China, which is its largest trading partner, their economy has been cooling a little bit, and we got more Chinese indicators coming out on Friday, but I don't think that will have a direct effect. Japan is their second largest trading partner, and you can read all this on the Australian dollar fundamentals on forexfilms.com, by the way. But they're still having bad economic numbers, lower than expected, which is something that you should expect considering all the troubles Japan has been having. So this will all be negative for the Australian dollar. However, this is just a technical move, just like in the euro US dollar. It's all technicals with the sovereign debt crisis and problems with elections, taking out the party that's working for austerity in some of the PIGS countries. you really have to wonder how the euro can rally so strongly. But that's the topic for my euro US dollar video. So just keep buying on dips here, and we will come up with a more solid target as this progresses, but definitely looking at 112 as the most likely ending spot. Thanks for watching.